Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Clyde. Okay, so this is a dashboard of Clyde. In a nutshell, this software is giving you totally the expired domains, the expired account or websites, and with so many huge traffic, massive traffic they are getting there, more than 1 lakh traffic or more or near about 2 million traffic, and but they are dead. Okay, the accounts which are dead, the profile, the following Instagram page and the Facebook page. Okay, and basically Clyde's works on 10 platforms, 10 most popular platform from presently, the most popular platforms. I will show you the 10 platforms. Okay, let me show you the 10 platforms. Okay, so basically Clyde works on Quora, Wikipedia, YouTube, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, Tumblr, Medium, Facebook and Yahoo. Okay, you can access easily these platforms, and you can just get the expired documents and expired profile and expired accounts, and you just make your own purchase domain for this account, for the relevant account or profile or maybe domain. Okay, something like that, and you just from the very beginning, from the very starting day or starting moment, you will be getting massive traffic on your platform. Okay, so this is the purpose of Clyde. Now let me show you the bonuses which I am giving you. It is valued $6,397 custom bonuses I am giving you totally free with this software. Okay, once you have brought it from my side, it will be given totally free. I have collected it from so many days. Okay, so now let me show you the review, but just let me show you. This is a plugin version of Clyde, and there is a normal version also. Okay, so the plugin version has this is a dashboard, or you can say a front preview. Once I've clicked on create ticket, okay, so there is a training section also. You can after visiting this software or plugin, you should go through these training videos firstly. Okay, then you should start it, because the tutorials are very easy. I have seen the demo video. Okay, so once I have clicked on the create ticket, it will redirect, it will open a new tab, and on this new tab you can just type your focusing, your niches. Okay, your focused niches, whatever you want. Okay, so it will show me nothing, result not found, because this is a review version, and that's why it is showing me nothing. And the purpose or the main things of this software is literally confidential, because if it shows me the websites or the profile or everything about related to dog, which are already getting millions of traffics every month, but they are just expired now. Okay, then I also started to by purchasing a domain and some type of websites like getting related to dog. Okay, so that's why they are giving no result to me, because this is a review version. Okay, I am repeating that this is a review version, but on your version it will be totally opened, and you can just click the button, and the searches will be before you within seconds. But I will highly recommend you to go through this video. Okay, this video will show you everything, what can you do, what cannot you do. This video will show you everything. It integrates the integrations, the smoothness of the software. This is the demo video. Okay, basically I am making this video to show you my bonuses. That's why, cause I want to show you the review, but this is not working properly. But I can assure you this software is very, very, very much good at its price. Okay, cost is very much lower, and also this is a brand new concept, and I am seeing this for first time. Okay, so they are giving just so many, you can see so many domains are given. Okay, so you just the websites rank, the statistics, everything are given, and you can just make a web page or a YouTube channel. Okay, by getting the names. Okay, you just purchased it, or if you don't want to purchase, you can just make a YouTube channel. Sorry. Okay, so this is the purpose of this tool, and you can do anything you want. I have just already told you about this tool. Okay, now let me show you the ratings and the everything. So this is a review page from where this is created by me, and from where you will be get everything, the software, the bonuses, the everything. Okay, so this is a meme created by me because I always want a big smile on your face while purchasing your product. That's why I always try to create meme to smile you. Okay, so this is the rating. I was just shocked what kind of, just think what kind of concept they are just they get into. Okay, or they have just driven themselves. Okay, this concept is very much relevant to present day. Okay, that's why I given huge good rating and superb rating they have got. The software is literally deserving. Okay, so this is the main price, and it is only $17, only 17 bucks if you brought it. And now cause after some time it will be rising up. Okay, so they are giving also 30 days no question money back guarantee, and they are really very much known vendors, and they have a good reputation in digital marketing. Okay, so this is what is Clyde, and which platform will be accessed. You can access from Clyde. Medium is also very much good platform to writing blog and earning money. Okay, so these are the options, these are the key features. These features will be given to the front end version, Clyde front end version I have mentioned here. Okay, so once you have clicked the video description link, you will be redirected to this page, and you can get there are 4 buttons maybe here, same. Okay, you can click this button to get the bonuses and the software also. So this is the sales funnel. On the front end product you will get what I have shown you before. Okay, this is $17, and the upsell one is Clyde Unlimited, which is giving you unlimited site license, and you can read this. Okay, I want you to read this because I don't want to make the video longer. You can use the video chapters from video description to go to the bonuses for now. Okay, so I have given the video chapters also. So this is the second Clyde Evergreen, and the third one is upsell number 3 is Clyde Done For You, and the fourth one is Clyde Agency. Okay, so this is software and software updates included, unlimited usage of all enterprise features, and fully functional Clyde software. Okay, so I want you to read this. Okay, so this is the bonuses which I want to show. My purpose of this video is to show you the bonuses which I am giving you totally free. Okay, so these are the bonuses I have mentioned here. You can see there are so many bonuses I have mentioned here. Some of the description is given, and some of them are without description, only images. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, just let me show you. After 50 bonuses, I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because I was literally tired, and I am speaking truthfully that this is very much tiring for me to mention all of the 270 plus bonuses, 320 plus bonuses, sorry. So, and it will be also tired for you to reading all of them. That's why I have put here as mega bonuses. Okay, you can easily access the bonuses by clicking this blue button after purchasing the front end product from my side, which costs only $17. Okay, so that was the overview of this software. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.